inundación, huevón. Mira la desgracia, huevón.
Heavy rains pounded Tarapoto, causing flooding in the city center and creating tension among residents and business owners. According to a report by Canal N, water quickly flooded various streets, affecting homes, businesses, and high-traffic areas. Diario El Comercio, all the reserved derechos. The rain was so heavy that several motorcycles parked on a sloping road near Plaza de Armas were swept away. The owners, who were shopping at a nearby supermarket, rushed out to try and save their vehicles. Diario El Comercio, all the reserved derechos. Images released by the media outlet showed completely flooded streets, with residents using buckets and brooms to clear standing water from their homes and businesses. This situation once again highlights the limitations of the city's stormwater drainage system in dealing with heavy rainfall. Diario El Comercio, all the reserved derechos. According to Canal N, the flooding was partly caused by the lack of drainage systems with adequate capacity to handle the heavy rainfall. In response, local authorities have visited the affected areas to assess the damage and coordinate relief efforts. Diario El Comercio, all the rains are reserved. INDECI called on authorities and the public to take precautionary measures in response to the orange alert issued by Senamai, which warned of moderate to heavy rainfall in the forests of various regions of the country between January 15 and 16. Diario El Comercio, all the rains are reserved. The agency recommended securing evacuation routes, verifying the operational capacity of emergency services, and reinforcing homes, in addition to activating family emergency plans and warning systems. The agency also reported that the National Emergency Operations Center, TOEN, continues to monitor and coordinate with regional and local governments. Diario El Comercio, all the rains are reserved.